Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have Granny's taco spaghetti, everybody. It's like you do the same process of how you do your taco meat and your onions and stuff like that. So you have your noodles boiling. We break our noodles in half. That's how we like our noodles here for the taco spaghetti. Now we go ahead and add in our favorite flavors of seasonings of the taco seasonings, and then we add in our fresh tomatoes. I mean, we like extra tomatoes in our family, but we also add in some thick and chunky salsa too. That actually brings a little bit of moisture to to your spaghetti. Now these mix it up very nice on low. It's like for about 10 minutes, and everything incorporates all together. Okay, then after this part, this is the most important part. We're excited about this. We add in the cooked noodles. We drain them first, and we dip them in half. As you see, it's easier to stir and incorporate all together. Oh, it's so delicious. It smells wonderful. I know. So the thing about making this is like whatever you add into it is what makes your taco spaghetti. You can add all kinds of things to your taco spaghetti. Now, we're not finished yet. Now, watch this. This is the most important part as well. We add in some more flavor. We add in more taco seasonings, and you can use the low sodium if you're worried about salt intake and stuff like that. It's just as well. Just good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now we add in our fresh shredded cheese. We use medium sharp cheese. Then we add in our mozzarella cheese, and then we also add in five. You can add in 5 cheeses as well. Whatever it is, just whatever your heart desires. We add in lettuce in ours. Okay, we add in lettuce. I'm trying to put more vegetables up in there for the children. This is how you get your children to eat salad. Okay, everybody. That's the way how you sneak it on in there. Sneak on in there, and then what you do is you toss it around. Very slowly, and then you go ahead and add it into and just let it just simmer, and look at how it turns out on the plate, everybody. Isn't that delicious? Oh my goodness, it's wonderful. Make sure you guys follow us on YouTube for a lot more dishes that we're gonna share with you guys coming soon. Bye, you guys.